It is the Tuesdays. Y'all know what happens on Tuesdays. It's chaos time. It's time to cause a complete mess in Unity C Sharp, trying to make an avatar system from scratch. Why? I still don't know. But all I know is that it's chaotic and it's a goddamn pain in the arse. Welcome, everyone, to VRA Tuesdays, the show where I make my own avatar system for no reason. But that I hate VRA Tuesdays. How y'all doing? I hope it's been good. I had it not like super tiny day at work, but also not the most chill either. But I am arse. Yes, arse. My arse. You know, because I can't say swear in the first 7 seconds of a YouTube video now. You know, those new rules. To be fair, they can go fuck themselves. I don't care. I'm not even monetized. Whatever. You're dumb. You suck. Well, yeah. Where is Burb? I hear y'all demand Burb. Oh, hi. You demanded Burb, you get Burb. Space Teamkin. That's pretty much it. Pets. Yeah, see, you've already redeemed an iced tea, man. That's a staple of ice cream. That just immediate iced tea redeem on the first damn minute. Yoink. Yeah, gotta have to thank you to refill my fridge with the new iced tea case that I have. But he got some groceries today, so not about that. But you know, because it's the redeem now. You know what happens next. 1 moment of silence, please. Refreshing. Even though it's a layer skin, it isn't one of those that are bumps. Yep. Probably just damage when putting it in the fridge. Whatever. It's good. It is good tea. I like it. A lot. I demand iced tea supply. But also, before going into the main thing of the day, big news. You might have heard. Yeah, you might have heard of it. Are y'all ready? Because soon enough, something is about to start again. And this thing is Avatar Mondays Season 2. Next Monday, we're going back at it. We're making another avatar. The second one made live on stream. On this channel, at least. Because I know some people did it live as well. Whatever. It's my Avatar series. Avatar Mondays. It's back, baby. Guess who's back? Back again. Mike is back. With avatars. You expect a Beanie Boy? What are you expecting here? A Fall Guys or what? Those are Beanie Boys. But to be fair, I'm actually really excited for this. We're starting avatars again. Something different than the Evigen. And this time around, I want to do things a little bit differently. The Evigen itself was an absolutely amazing idea, but it took how much time did it take? Yes. I will just say yes. That sounds reasonable for a time frame on the Evigen. And also, like, I had to make it like on stream, like on stream. What the fuck am I saying? I made it live on stream for 12 episodes straight, but worked on it like a buttload off stream too. And after the series, I kept working at it like crazy to get everything ready and published. And then after that, even more updates coming up, because those were features that I had not, that I had ideas for but couldn't make live. This time around, I want to do the entire thing live on stream. So no off-stream work, no excuse, everything is live. That's gonna be the idea. Everything is live. Thanks. Like, it is well done. Like, I definitely feel like it's well done. But all I'm saying is that it was very ambitious. Extremely ambitious for the main premise of the series. Like, I'm glad I finished it. I'm glad I came to conclusion with it. But the next one is gonna be a resub. And I'm gonna take that resub. How much? Okay, so I'll take 19 months to make the next avatar. God damn it. Hey, Locke, thanks for the resub. 19 months. Wow. OG sub brother from another egg. Sup, bro? Hi. Just talking about my, the restart of Avatar Mondays. Next Monday. Season 2 is about to start. And yeah, so the Evigen took 5 months on stream and off stream, and then a couple more months to finish the features. This time around, I really want to make an avatar that's a bit simpler, so I am able to actually finish it on stream. Like, everything is done on stream. Like, that's gonna have the side effect that it's gonna have to be, well, one, simpler, so it won't be as detailed as the Evigen. But at the same time, it will let me able to actually offer it for a cheaper price as well. To people that want to buy it, it's gonna be cheaper than the Evigen. Evigen took so long, I had to price it that way. And I felt it was a fair price. That one, because I'm gonna technically spend less time, because I hope to have it done by VRA again, which is gonna be in June or July. Yeah, it's gonna have to be done a bit quicker. So yeah, I feel like having it cheaper would be fair. But yeah, after Mondays, that was the big announcement of this pre-stream, and now we're on stream. So you know what happens next. It's time to get into the chaos. Oh boy, a big bull. And it missed. Damn. How dare. It's time to suffer. Yes, it is. Because you know what has been going on with the menus since last time. Are they still broken? They were clearly broken last time I checked. Ah yes, the post the game. Let the game boot. Yeah, man, let me test those buttons of yours. Come on, you piece of shit. Thank you. See, sometimes you just have to scream at it. This is the trick, just scream at it. And it's gonna listen to you. Alright. So, those buttons. Okay, now they work just fine. I really wonder if it's just an I wonder if it's an editor thing, if it's really just a system that's broken. Because it is not consistent whatsoever. Like that, it works fine. That's the thing, it just works fine. Like, perfectly fine. Like, sometimes it's like that, sometimes it's not. That game! Get me, please. How dare you do it to me like that? Damn it.
Ooh.
And how dare you do it to me like that, Dev? So both the game does it to me like that, and also Dev does it to me like that. Hi Dev, good morning. Like, hey, how is you? Where is menus? Hey. Something is like clearly damn wrong. Yeah, I removed the debugs. I really wonder if it's something with the game or just the editor. But I don't know. Because it works half the time, but then it does not, which is very strange. I invested with the water right now. Ooh, nice. Nice. With the water, how goes everyone? I goes good. If we don't include VRA. But yeah, let's see what is to do next. So we got the toggles fixed, the buttons are working, the states are working, so getting the current value and everything, that's technically working. Now it's a question of adding the other types. So for these, I'm gonna have to go in Visual Studio again. Hi, long time no see. Big old Visual Studio. Been a message from no scrolls from doing well. BDK, that's fair. Just chilling in bed, watching a burp suffer with code. With nonsense. Alright, so in the UI controller, that's what's gonna make appear like the slider menu or the anchor menu or whatever. So I'm gonna make a private animation here called UI type. I'm gonna have a, you know what, I can put like a none, maybe. Let me see, what? Okay, so the types of menus. Slider, increment, dual axes. Wasn't there something else that I added in terms of like menu types? I feel like I've added one like placeholder in the list. Oh no, that's it. Yeah, that should be fine then. So none. This would be -1, not 0. This one's 0. Then slider, I'm gonna put that at 1. And then two axes, I'm gonna put it at 2. Now the enum exists. I can make it public. Public? No, I'm gonna make. Nah, should I make it public? No, man, look, I'm gonna keep it like that. Did I have an eyebrow in my teeth? Interesting. Private. Show. What would we call that menu? Like the pop-up menu. And it's gonna be a UI tape. Void. Be a UI diesel. And make a switch in there of the type. Case. So if it's an increment, do I have a reference to the object? No, I'm actually gonna have to add that. Yeah, it's gonna be game object. So the increments, slider, and then dual axis. Set that active. Before anything, I'm gonna turn them off first. This. This. It's gonna be also just a parents. Is that true? And I can do actually. I would have to copy that line a couple times, but if I do a none here, I can false it here. And an if type here is not none, then it's active. So if I set the type to -1, it will just turn out the menu. I want to cast like a UI type here. Yeah, so if I pass an int, then it's just going to convert it to this function. So let's see. Justin with the button. No, but that poor paragraph. 19 months. Wow. Squackity squawk squat. It's 19 months of the world's best quotes and a nice edition bird who has a love-hate relationship with Unity. Who doesn't? And that means it's 3 months away from 2 years of me stumbling across a now very close friends. Hi, you're great. Aww. Hi, you're great too. But you already knew that. Thank you for the 19-month resub. You method wrong. Good job. Water can't count. The water can quote like crazy, but also they can't count. Good job. 19 months. You just forgot which month it was. That means 3 months away for 2 years. It's been 19 months. I think the answer is 5 months, not 3. That's his value since I was affiliate. It's still 5 months away though. But yeah, 3. Yeah, you found me before I was affiliate. Right. Listen, there's a water brain and then there's a bird brain. The bird brain has way less power than the water brain. It's 3 months if you time travel. That's fair. That is totally fair. Really fair. Okay, let's see what happens here now. Oh boy. You're great. Praise that. Ah, fuck. I've revoked my sentence. Just kidding. Meeting is free. Yeah, I know. It's like a staple. I know. It's a second job. That's true. First job is quote, second job is BAP. And Dash job is just keeping me refreshed with iced tea. Where was I in that cone now? Yeah. Yeah. Just all at once. Yeah. That is totally fair. What damn? Also, I just realized I don't have increment here. Oh, you know what? Maybe I just didn't implement increment in here. I am not removing that cooldown, no. Like, you want to stuff me with stuff? This treat stream now. Yeah, cool if I did. Yeah, well. You're gonna check real oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. If you grab something from in there, maybe something new for it. I don't know. Your choice. You shut up, Nightball. You shut up, 8-Ball. No one asked you anything. Except Austin. Which is not me. I am not answering. If you're waiting on me, but not the 8-Ball. Well then. Where in the sweet mother heck is... Okay, that's menu slider. Big Mike fully. Hey, listen. I got those Valley plushies. And I got this. I literally got the one you see right now in the corner. I got that one. But I'm waiting for them to be delivered. They're still not being produced yet. They're still waiting on fabric stock. But no food for me. Sometimes I thank the 8-Ball for not making me have diabetes, but at the same time I'm like, the 8-Ball kinda sucks. Whose idea was to make the 8-ball? Not me adding it to my channel, but whose idea was it to add to make it itself? And that's why I don't have a thing. Because I literally don't have a class for the increment. Okay, open state, that's fine. How am I gonna program this though? I somehow need to pass a parameter inside execute, I think. I'm gonna have to pass a parameter inside execute. So what I'll do, inside the main class, I'm gonna add float of, should I do increment or should I do, actually, float value, and then a bool is increment. And I'm gonna pass in a bool just also just custom set equals false by default. So now I've got to implement those. In these. So toggle doesn't need it. Subgroup does not need it. Huh. I might do a custom set here. The custom set would be actually yeah, just a state if it's like the menu's open or the menu's closed. So if custom sets, else there you go. And that should do it. slider, I'm gonna do it after. I'm gonna do the increment first. I don't need value slider. Actually, no, that's not what I need it. I need it for update value, not this. That's the one I need it for. And I'm gonna have like there here at in executors is opened. That's all I need really. If is opened, do this. Else, value off. And same for here. If is opened, else, value off. That should do it for slider. If is opened, that's actually the wrong one, but I'll still do it just in case. I mean, it's not the wrong one, it's just I have not modified it yet. Now just missing the button, I don't need that. Oh right, I kinda need you. This is a multi-line. I'm gonna need to have these into here. Okay. Now update value. Those ones are gonna need these. So that is for a slider. I don't need a custom set. Can I? I wonder. custom set value. You got some Thai food. Oh, Thai food, nice. Yeah, I would have gotten some more for some food, but the 8-ball decided fuck you and like not want to give me food. The 8-ball sucks. I hate the 8-ball. How dare it does it like it sometimes. Whose idea was to make the 8-ball? Now you make me jelly. Like 8-ball decide fuck, you know, you'll get food. You want food? No. And not even like 10 minutes later, you come back with food. I'm like, God damn it, 8-ball, I'm gonna kill you. Well, yeah. Just like, I mean, to be fair, all the food in my tweet stream are just like sugary. Sugar stuff. It's always sugary. Okay, this is gonna be so confusing. Oh god. I had to replace custom state. If custom set, yeah, use value, else use the value slider. As a very custom set, yeah, else I need to set it to this or this. There you go. Perfect. That should do it. For a slider. Dual axes. Same idea. Where is update? Hang on. Where'd it come from? Where did it go? Oh, you come inside Arcadius. Dual axes, where are you? There you are. So one's X, one's Y. Which makes sense. 6Y, perfect. And finally, I need increment. And that's the one I need increment here. So update value. It's just gonna go and set the value of the state. Do I really need this though? If it's an increment, I don't think I need this. Because here, don't need this. I don't need this. That should be good. Would it just act as a toggle? I guess I could just make it act as a toggle. And now, right, I also need to add these to the actual interface object. There you go. Technically, increment is implemented. In theory. Was also in Primo this whole time? No, okay, good. But now that this is here, I'm gonna fold some of these. Increment. So I'm getting the current value, which can be good, but not sure if it's super ideal. What I can do though, first off, I need to show pop-up UI of ID 0. For this slider, I should pop up 1, that slider. And then dual axes, I just show that as well. But number 2. Let's see what happens. You know what? Let's go check. If I broke stuff. Let's see if the buttons first, they still work. Okay, good. These work. Good. All is working fine here. So I'll go in my canvas here, my little object here, and I'm gonna go reference these. So that, I've got type slider, type increment, type dual axes. So if I open up, let's say, actually, all of them are not like set. I mean, so far, nothing broke. Nothing's broken so far, which is surprising. I'm gonna want to get. Let's say that's. No, I need to get the nut one. Hey, you know what? It'd be simpler to actually get the Evigen. Because the Evigen has already a buttload of those menus already pre-made. I think. There's still dual axes I can test. Wing setting, that's subgroup. So that's a button, that's toggle. Let's just see if I click on wrong menu first off. That is not the correct menu. I want to get the test Evigen menu. Let's see what that leads. So, tail dual axis, I click this, it should pop the dual axis menu. And indeed it does. And I can adjust both of these sliders separate. They don't do anything just yet. But at least that works. At least it shows. But now I want to test something. Is there an no, I did not put an execute on that one. I want the increment. I'll close this, show this back again. Now can you modify this? Oh, technically I don't need any of these. There's 0, 1. This should. Oh, that's exciting. Never mind. I don't have extra combo. Okay, then. Never mind. I'll put this as an increment. And I don't have the menu made for the increment. I didn't think it would be implemented that quick. Okay then. Let me go in. I'll test the slider first. You know what? See what that pops. And back to the wrong menu I go. There we go. Perfect. Give me the correct menu. So eyes. There you go. So it pops this. Which is expected. That is 100% expected. So it seems those menus, they pop correctly. But I need to go modify that script because increment is not being displayed here. That's the script. So what do I need actually? Oh boy. Because I need a plus increment, like how much it increments into, and then a minus, like how much it increments from and how much it decrements from. Let me add another case. Increment. Good boy. So this already will work as a toggle except into increment menu. Okay, if the parameter is int, minimum. Get absolute dang it, current document. Is there no option to replace though? Minimum. Okay, I don't need that typo. Okay, good. That's the only one I typoed. Great. So back into increment angle. Yeah, and this I don't. I could put increment name, increment name. Increment value, increment value. Inc dic for increment and decrement. Like this. That should be fine. Yeah, actually the increment and decrement is just going to be value on and value off. I don't need to put it into passive custom increments. That's right. But at the same time, how am I actually gonna pass in the function for the increment in the value? I can pass it like that. Anyways. Let's see if it displays correctly here first. Decrement name. Not these parameters. I want these ones. Yeah, perfect. On open, on close. That's fine. All good here. Now it's just a question of implementing it. Actually, could I actually use the Y parameter of dual axes that I have available to make a minimum and maximum? Is that big brain or not? That way you reach a certain value, it stops climbing. And you can potentially, I don't have a bool for this, but you could set it to be looping. So at the moment you reach that value, it just goes back to value number 1. Yeah, how about that? Maybe? Huh. Well, let's take a look. Would that be? I might just stick with what I have currently and then add these later down the line. Right now, I have all the options to be able to be set. Do you actually have a label for the value underneath for the current value? I should probably have a label for the current value. That way it helps the user read whatever you're setting. Probably. What would happen? Oh, there's already one. There's already one. Okay. That's fine. The slider, I don't think it needs it. Yeah, at least for increment, having the current value that's like crucial. I think it's already linked in the script, is it? Yeah, it is. Now it's just like we're still making those ways work because I can display them, but I cannot hide them after the fact. Oh, actually, that's right. I don't have a close button. I should probably add that, shouldn't I? Yeah, let me add just take a look at what is. Yeah, I have a bit of space here to add a back button. I'm gonna add menu back from pop-up. Play that. I'm gonna keep that one as a part like that. Put in this. Pop this all the way to the top. Where is that actually? This is here. Why did it pop over there? Excuse me. But why? This is illegal. That should be not up here. See. One. This here. Huh. This is here. Just making the button look good. No biggie. It's 28. And 8, I think. Is it 8? I don't know what I need, but that should be fine. That should be fine with the rest. Just a quick back button. And it does the events to add-on list. I'm actually gonna have to make this one a public. When public. That way I can access it through that button. Here and then show UI -1 to hide it. And that should hide it. I hide this quick save, if I pop this, it opens this. I can press back, and it goes to the menu. Easy peasy. But now I'm noticing something. Notice how I start with like eyes semi-closed, and the moment I press this, it opens back. I did not code the behavior yet. So this is strange. Maybe. Okay, in my code it's trying to read from parameter main. Like, it's still set as a toggle.
Only my eyes. And my arm.
So potentially that just means if I go here, that's right, blink state, that's the parameter main. It reads the 0 from the first, so it just a blah. In theory, I should read from this one. If I hear correctly, I should read that from this one. But at least, all I wanted to test here was if the menu was open or not. And if I could close it after. So at least that works. But now I'm gonna actually add the behavior, the correct one. Over here.
Maybe it's love.
Huh? So it executes that. And I'm adding I'm setting the main value this. Yeah. This needs to be increment. There's an execute in there then that's not doing something fine, because there's nothing that's supposed to happen here. But because I now set the thing to not be toggle but increment instead, that probably means that this should be fine now. Where if I press the change eye type button, the eye should not go back to the regular state. Indeed. So now this works as intended. So you just open the menu. Nothing more. But now in the parameter driver, I need to add in an increment type. So I don't need this. Because I know this is set. I know this is read correctly now, so I don't need that debug. What I need to do is that I need to read from the alternate value. So this one. I can just use the sealed menu at that point. That's what I'm using to actually update correctly. But why I'm gonna have to pass in the alternate value for that one. I need to test as well the value of the in value. Of the on value, I mean. If it's minus 999, that means don't set it. So I got to read value on open. If that's not equal to minus 999, I wanted to do this. On release, I think I might still need type. Why is it going so far? Because I need a break. Break. Let's just try this like this. So my glasses are on by default. Let's actually, because I saved in plane mode, what would happen now? Is it? No, the toggles are still correct. Okay, fine. Let me check. If I open this menu and I set the parameter name to be glasses, I think that's the name of the parameter, right? Glasses is an int. Okay. If I set the glasses to be 2, so when I open that menu, if I did my code correctly, those glasses should change to the Ubu version of glasses. If I did it correctly. Indeed. So this is correct. That's perfect. This is perfectly intended. Really perfect. But let me actually open those parameters. Let me see if I can see the value update live. I had the wrong avatar selected. Wrong object, I mean, that's the one I want. I want to see that value be updated live. Perfect. Because now I can test if I do unopen -998. This should change to -998 now. Indeed. But if I set it to -999, now the value should actually stay 1. Let's see. Indeed, it stays 1. Which is intended. So now you can set with a -999 if you want that value to be not changed actually when open or closed. So I'm gonna keep this to 2 and a 1 just to see the debug when opening and closing the menu. Because now I have to find a way to actually close the menu properly. Like this is intended, but then on use, I do still need to pass a type. Go to and I can pass in this and this. Be perfect. So I can pass in the type in those, which I can do a switch again. That's right, I also need to pass in the value. Sometimes I feel I don't need to pass everything here, but at the same time, I'm like, maybe I don't. I don't know. Let me just here push with a still menu just to be able to get the on and off values. And now this is back to being an error. Out there. Yoink. Screw you. Please don't be an error. So, button and toggle, nothing happens. Because there's no on close for these. That is perfectly fine. Increment, however, that's going to be a little different. Value off open. Value off open. And that should do it. That should do it. Let's see. Yoink. So if I actually no, I can't test it just yet because yeah, that's gonna work, but then I don't have the event yet to actually close. Like the event is set, but it's not actually put on the button. And also once that event is on the button, I need a way to remove it from the button. Somehow. That might be a little tricky. That could be tricky. And I'm going to need the value alt. Actually delete the rest of Discord because Discord is like, it's gonna be way different. Anyways, so do I actually, I might, what event type is there? Is it being dragged? Begin drag and drag. I'm gonna want that event for the sliders especially. But that might be actually a thing for in... No, those are for the main buttons. I don't need a drag for the main menu buttons. That is complicated a little bit. Like the on-click is fine, I think. But everything's inside the menu now. Burp brain thinking hard in progress. Also iced tea. Thinky. Gotta get caffeine to get the burp brain thinking. Oh boy. Overclock the brain. So I gotta get a value. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. And that delegate is going to add another delegate. Right? On the back? Ah, you know what? I'm going to need a reference to the back button then. We don't have a button for the... Ah, no, because the reference is not needed. It always just goes back to subgroup. Reference is not needed. I call it pop-up menu back button. Okay, I wonder how... Yeah, each somehow reset their its defenses. Also, down with the HD. And everyone just overcharging me with iced tea tonight. If it's not with sugar, it's with caffeine. Help me, little boy. I don't know which one's better. Okay, God damn it, Jeff. Everyone's overcharging me with iced tea. Oh boy. See, that's my last cold can in the fridge. If I empty that one, I have to get a warm one from downstairs. So yeah, and you know, just regular water, that's not gonna happen. There's absolutely no way this bottle is gonna be finished in one stream. Since I got the LTT bottle, and since I've actually limited the amount of Heiseries, I've actually never emptied an entire bottle in one stream. Which is kind of good, because, you know, speedrunning, just chugging non-stop, that could actually be bad for your health. Like, actually. So, sleep will happen tonight. Yes, sleep shall happen tonight. Okay, I need to add. Should I do this? No, actually, I should be able to go menu back button. Can I remove the events? I don't think there is. reset the on-click. So that's good. I can just reset the on-click by doing this. And then I can do add listener on that for show pop-up UI -1. This needs to be a delegate then. Delegate. This. There you go. So in theory with this, on initiation or whatever, am I resetting the menu somewhere? I'm not resetting the menu anywhere. I mean, on initiation, I want to reset that. Just so that it's completely empty and just has these events. Now in item list, actually, I can do this here actually. So if you shoot a pop-up UI -1, it's gonna think that's none, and it's gonna automatically reset the thing. So I don't have to actually call the reset from here. Smart move. Big brain move. Big bird brain move. So now it's just a question of adding the events I need onto that on-click. So the event I need on the pop-up menu back button, on-click, add listener, delegate. It's big bird time. Big bird. The big bird. What do you mean big bird? Big bird brain time. That's what I said. What do you mean big bird? I'm not a big bird. Are you calling me fat? How dare you call me fat? So on that back button, I need it's like a delegate inside a delegate. How great. I need to on avatar UI closed invoke of type increment. And I don't think I'm passing anything else here. I'm passing the seal menu. I'm passing it at the end. Oh, now fat only huggable slides, but also bake Mike Bird. Now. Okay, and with that, this should in theory make the glasses go back to normal. If you take a look at the menu, on Crow's value is set to 1, which are these glasses. Also, the menu did not appear, because apparently there's a our good old friend, null reference exception. Okay, where? I'm dumb, I completely forgot to go set the reference of that button. Please excuse me while I just I just fucking kill my dead deeper fucking brain. How did I forget? Where that fucker? Fucker! Either that one, fuck. Either that, fuck. Revert that, revert that, revert that one. Revert that. Revert that, revert that. Revert that one. That one too. Apply that one. Also gonna set it to none. Apply it. And bring it back. If I see a null reference exception, I'm gonna okay, thank you. As I was saying. In change eye type, glasses on open is set to 2, on close is set to 1. So because I have that reference now, and I did the script, I click change eye type, that should change to the EU glasses. And I press the back button, it should change back to regular glasses. Perfect. So the value does be updated correctly on open and close. Ooh, the racist stuff is coming. It's coming, man. Yeah! It's going so well. So what is the logical next step would be to actually make the increment values work. So these, make those work and also display the value here. Just making several kilograms for the bro. Several kilograms. And me saying I said and me saying that all my snacks on Twitch stream were damn sugary. Damn, Hazel. Also, I'm unfortunately probably gonna have to, yeah, kinda shut off Twitch stream for tonight. Because at this time, it's gonna take like an hour to arrive, and I'm ending to stream in like an hour. And also, I have to go to bed, so I don't want to get a sugar rush before work tomorrow. Knowing that Wednesdays for me are like the biggest days at work. So, yeah, like several kilograms of brownies. Can you pass some? I love brownies. Actually, been a while since I've had a proper brownie and not fucking like not even brownie thing. What? Two concerts tomorrow, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. We're giving out brownies after this evening concert. And oh my god. Okay, understandable. Very understandable. Damn. Well, I'm coming to your concert to get some brownies. I'm just kidding. I've got one tomorrow, and that's probably too far. Alright, so here now, it's time to go set some labels. So there's some labels I have to set here. So there is increment item name. I forget to add some objects into the game list. Actually, no, hang on. No, it's just that I actually don't have that. Imagine having your real furniture from brownies. Just pockets, bags, math, whatever. Just full of brownies. Boy. I wish I had that many brownies. I would not be able to eat them all because, you know, that's not good for your health. I'd probably be sick. What? Your clothes, brownies t-shirt, brownie pickaxe. Yes. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. Actually, why is the label made like that? Shouldn't be just... like that. What the heck? What did I do with those labels? I mean, what is it's probably fine. Label. Ink. No, that's decrement. Ink. That's the one to increment. There we go. A very rare brand. The funny part is that there are all different brands of brownies mixed. Oh dear, find a legendary brownie in there. Good luck. I actually don't have a thing for it. Well then. Well, time to add it to the code. Just do TP text. Label ink. Deck. Keep changes. So in here, I should have two more things. Label decrement, label increment. Incremental. There you go. So all of them should be okay, ready to go. Now it's just a question of adding the code for it. So label increment. Which one is which, min or max? I forgot which one I said. I forgot. I think I inverted it actually. I think it's just menu item name, is it? Is it just a menu item name? Yeah, it's just the item name. Is it? It's actually. Ah, no, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, that's fine. Just menu item name, and that should do it. And the value text. I want to get the current value. I just want to put it to string. And that should be fine, at least just to get the current value. Let's go quickly test that out. See if the menu name is correct in the labels. Let's see. Change I type. Previous eyes. Actually, no, it's gonna be next eyes. Previous eyes. To decrement is decrease, so E. And that should be it. Equal value 1. Equal 1. Let's see what the menu is gonna say now. I did not invert them. I actually somehow managed to do it correctly. Unless I swap them here. I did not swap them. I actually did it correctly. And I go, how? Bruh. Bruh. I actually did it correctly in the code. So now I actually have to get the references to those buttons so that they do something. Oh, and crap, I also need to find out what to clear their events too. Ain't that great? Actually, I could just reset the events of those things from the reset pop-up UI. Just rename this reset pop-up UI. Listeners. And I can just reset them from here. When the menu is closed, you gotta reset them, whatever I do. Like, let's see, that slider. There's on value change, which is exactly what I need. And then type slider. Actually, no, I don't need to add it. I don't need to add anything here just yet. That's going to be done via the menus themselves. I want to get also this one, this slider, and this slider. That's a value. Bottom decrement, bottom decrement. That. Perfect. Values are reset. So just to check, there's the increment and decrement. Then there's just one slider, and then dual axes X and Y. That's it. All good here. Um, yeah. Now I just have to add those events to those buttons now. That's the only thing I need to do. So for increment value, I can do pop-up, and not pop-up, I need to do, for the increment button, whoever she's able to have a heart attack to see such, oh god. Oh no. Man, I'm a bit curious to how that kitchen looks, how many damn brownies you actually made. That sounds scary. That does sound a little scary. So adding an increment. Good boy. I still need to pass this. Yeah. I still need to pass this little fucker. So I'll just pass in whatever this is. On avatar, wide open. Invoke the type and everything. Oh, hang on a second. Both buttons do something different. I need to differentiate them. But I don't have anything to pass to tell if it's an increment or decrement. I guess I can pass in is in the bool. Bool is incrementing. What I passed through. Now back here, on increment, I pass through. Decrement, exact same thing, but false. And that should do it. But before that, now I'm curious, how in the heck is it gonna look in, oh Jesus. That is a lot of brownies. I wonder if it's like, is it a pre-made cake mix or is it like homemade? Because those cake mixes. Especially when like after you bake, you've got like a bit of smudge around the bowl and everything, like still liquid stuff. I don't know why, but I like the taste of that. I like to just eat the little remainder that stays in the bowl. Like just scrape it off because it that's just like been such a while. We got bright hair is like spitting a will of brownies. Also, I like how you just separate each letter by with a space and the bot trigger with an EME. Beautiful. It always does that, doesn't it? It's a beautiful thing. Yay! Brownies. Okay, well, shall we test those menus? So now, in theory, actually, beforehand, I need to quickly add one last thing. I kind of forgot. I kind of need to update the value, don't I? Because now I'm calling the menu, but I'm not updating the actual parameter itself. But I need to update the parameter. Update value. Custom set. Okay, I just gotta be sure again. Under increment. Still axis, it's way too far. Slider, increment. Update. Type. I just need to get that value, but I need to pass in that value. That's what I need to do. So custom set, I mean technically it's true. The value is gonna be get some new items. This. I'm always confused on that one. So the increment is minimum, decrement is maximum. So that would be off is minimum, on is maximum. I gotta pass this one here. In the increment, which is an increment, and then pass it here as off. Jesus, brownie company, yes. So that should be good. gotta update current value main. Yeah, that sounds about right. And now I gotta update the text as well to this. There you go. And now I'm updating the parameter itself. I'm updating the label. And I'm updating the actual avatar. Let's see what in the sweet heck happened if I broke anything. Did the bird break something? Stay tuned to find out. GDI type. So, okay, it's set to 1. Is this correct? I feel like it's set to 2 actually. But let's press decrease. Nothing happened. Increase. Nothing happened. I am fucking dumb. I did not add any of the events. Oof. I completely forgot about that. I need to pass in sealed menu value of increment. Set parameter. Actually, sealed menu type. Okay, what am I passing actually? I'm passing this, so I need to get a current value main off of the sealed menu. Current value main. So, PAM name open. PAM name. That's all I need. PAM name. Current value main. That should do it. That should be the dub. That should be the dub. In theory, come on. Ooh. Okay. It did a thing. But it did not actually do anything. So it seems like it's stuck at this value. Also, I'm not passing parameter alt in the debug log, which I thought I removed the debug log. I guess it did not. Oh no, because that's in the other script, that's why. Yeah, I do need to go get the alt parameter. That one. You are able to get your Azel's brain company to Amy's baking company. Wow, brain autocorrect, go bear. Okay, I need a debug log somehow. what's going on with the glasses value? What's going on with that value? And not glasses, ice. Please stay. Okay, so it's being set. It's not being updated. Why? It could show to me, but why? That's why I say that way. Bruh. They have. Bruh. You little. amount of culture. Okay, so. Like, the thing can't. It works, but it's not working either. So what's going on in the other value of that one? Value on dual axes, value off dual axes. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick debug on that one. I need to check. Did I press it? God damn it! Now! Why do I always press build? Get debug log on both of them, just to check. What's going on? So that was just use DDLC too. The DDLC. The what game is that? I feel like I heard that one before, but that's just like Doki Doki. Yeah, I felt like I heard it somewhere, but I didn't remember where. That is one and then zero. I'm taking powder main. Have I mixed up stuff, didn't I? This should just be off. And this should just be on. I don't think it has a DLC one. It should be just DDLC 2. Whatever referred to as DDLC DLC because all characters are funny. Yes. Okay, this time it should be correct. Except that in theory, they should be set as minus. Promising. So it worked once. Wait, could that be why the things are getting completely messed up? You know what? I think that's why it keeps getting messed up. Because the seal values, I don't think those reset. Because they're from a scriptable object. Those don't reset. Unless I said that last time as well. And I completely forgot about it. Like these fuckers. I think that's why those don't reset. I will need to make a copy of that at runtime with the value set. That way, that one gets modified and then gets wiped on exit. I think that's what I need to do. Like the menu items, those are fine. Those don't get reset. Except current values. So I still need to make a copy of that list. You know what? I'm gonna rename this. But I'm gonna have to clean it up here as well. Oh boy. Well, because I want everything to read from here. But I also want a version of this here. And I don't want to serialize that one. I want to actually hide an inspector explicitly. So that way in here. So this is renamed. So this is the one that people will see. Hopefully that does not break into the menus if I do this. So while initializing, I want to clean on initiation. Actually, I'm gonna take this and equal it to this. Or can I make a new list of sealed menu items and pass this? Can I? I can! So that way, I've got my main casting menu items, which is what the user edits. And then on initiation, I want to get those and just cast it there, which is what every single other piece of the script uses. That should do the trick. And I want to do the same with parameters. Like exact same thing here because I've got current value here. I want to rename this underscore, duplicate this, remove. That one I want to hide in inspector. On initiation, I want to get casting param equals new that from casting param. Let's see if I borked anything doing this. F for my menus. Well then. And I guess it also nuked the parameters. Well, shit. Hang on, I can't add element. Oh shit, because it did also in the editor scripts. Hang on, I'm gonna use the flippin', where is it? Replace tool, whatever. Where even is the find thing? Like, find and replace. There you go. Replacing files. I want to replace casting behind Hey Tony with just this for the editor script. Look in current document, entire document, replace all. So that's this editor script done, and now I have to do the same with the mini groups as well. That also needs to be replaced. Document, group is all. That sounds about right. Looks about right. That should be fine. So yeah, all of these have the other one. So I replaced them all with the... There we go, I can add stuff again. Okay, so that was the problem. Let me just add some stuff. Be sure that they don't nuke themselves the moment they go and edit the thing. Okay, that still works. Oh boy, so now I gotta add the everything. Damn it. Hang on. That one. 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 Alright, the parameters were new, but I can bring them back. And boop, I could put it like just a bool and make it detect what it is. Like, this is technically gonna be the, like some kind of pointer system. Contacts or whatever they're called in the other games. But what I've noticed from the other games, especially VRC, is that they're locked to be integers. You have to have it integer. I don't think it's the same with CVR, but CVR it's like similar fashion. Here I really want to like, if it's a bool, make it just a bool. Like true or false. Make it a float or whatever. Just select the type you want, bitch. Because that's just more flexible. Then here I can drop this. I do want to add the drop down thing, but let's just do what I came here initially for. Add elements, menu group. Change eyes. Increment. Set increment. I can't set the type. It seems to be locked. What's going on in the code now? The group editor. Wait, so that means, hang on. Like, maybe I can change that. But here, what? Huh. Casting menu items. Uh-huh. What's that list getting? It's trying to get the casting menu item. Why is it not being... Why can I not modify it? Can I modify it in debug? I can't do it in debug either. Oh no. I can't do it in debug either. Something went horribly wrong. I know what. Hang on. Oh, but it should be the same. Is it just Unity being Unity? Let me close Unity and restart it. Maybe that's gonna fix it. Oh, Unity! Nope. So I borked something. Don't know what would cause this though. Unity, new inspector, and change. What will cause this? Ah, I think I did call this thing at the end. No, the apply custom inspector. I did. But why? Oh, yikes, that sucks. That's a long time out, huh? Let me just recall a serious field manual in this. No. It just refuses to update now. And as you can see, this is, if I do it via debug, that is also not working. Whatever I do. So I do not know what is going on here. Oh no, you don't have Jericho supply? Yikes. Yeah, why does it not right off? Why is it broken now? God damn it, right before the end of the stream as well. God. It had to do this to me. Hang on, I'm gonna have to focus a bit on that one. not working debug. Okay, now it just works in debug. But it does not work here. What? So if I start in debug, change something in the script, go back. Okay, now I can change it in debug. Go here. And now I can't change it back. Huh. What if I remove this? The apply at the end. Okay, if I would apply, then it does not work either. And it still breaks the debug mode. Hmm. That's right. That's so weird. Because the apply modified properties at the end. So it should work. But it ain't. Like, it should display just E at the end. Like, not now, because I'm in here. But if I go back out of debug, yeah, it just says E everywhere. E set invalidated. Like, it is getting properly called, but it's not updating. If I press play, it does not update here either. But it doesn't matter, because this has been fine. This is not updating either. What? No. Real? Bro! So it's not just that one. All the other ones do. Except the labels, for some reason. Labels are perfectly fine. Like, that's not fine, that's not fine. It's because they're not serialized. So the serialization does not work whatsoever now. Through the custom inspector, the serialization is broken. Using that. Okay. Just changing this. Like, the parameters are perfectly fine, but the menus, they are not. Why? If I check out the properties, hang on. Property editor. Am I using serialized? No, I'm not using those. I am using the update. Should I actually remove update? Let me remove update. Maybe. Just maybe. For fuck's sake. Fuck. Well, debugged it right at the end of the stream. God, yeah, I have 50 people. Fuck. I'm gonna call it so menu and the fuck you menu item. Change eyes. Yes. Textures. Whatever this monstrosity is. Pirate name. Gonna be this one. Fuck, no, not this one. This one. Bam. Increment. Or next. Next. Eyes. Previous eyes. Glasses. 2, 1. And the count is -1. Increment. That should do it. That should do it. So, by default, glasses are off. If I put menu item, glasses should be still not fine. Okay, so my button is broken. The thing is set. Yes, it is set. It is a correct menu. Okay, so there's definitely something broken here. Because now this is not being set properly. There's an initiation avatar. Are the values being passed correctly? Value 1. If I did a button, just Oh, really? Now it's not going to display the other items. Really? What if I did the update right after this? Right before it? Okay, that works. And that works again. Okay, I had to do the update after setting the values. Noted. You gonna head out? Alright, Hazel. Yeah, hopefully you had fun making those brownies. I'm troubleshooting like crazy here, so... Yeah, so why the heck did that still reset? Index out of range. Oh my god. Oh boy. This is getting absolutely ridiculous. Is it still thinking there's like one menu somewhere? Oh. Like it shouldn't do anything. What is it bugging on now? That one. I'm gonna go over a bit. I want to see those menus work with the new adjustments. What is out of range GI here? I'm not sure. Hydrate.
Boy.
Rusty. See, what is the wrong here? Maybe check something. This is this. And this. Ah, fuck, I pressed the fucking button again. I hate it so bad. nope, 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 nope. There we go. What's the debug gonna say now? Now it says 0, that's fine. Add element. Fine. I remove an element. And now out of exception. Okay, so it's still thinking. What? Still thinking that list is eh? Is it not resetting that list now? Hang on. It's like nice at 2, 3. It's not bringing that number down anymore. Okay, I think I might know why. Because the update actually is that I had the update somewhere here before getting these here. And before getting the list, technically. But now because I'm doing it at the end, it does not refresh when it reaches this. I had to update it here now. But I can't. So what I'll do is I'll take these and I'll put them here. And then the add element I'm gonna update after the element has been updated. And I'm going to do the same here as well, an update. In theory, this should make it so if I add an element, like it's like 3 everywhere, I add 1, 4 everywhere, I remove 3 everywhere. That was an easy fix. To the system, I can remove that debug log I had. Right here, can't remove that. Alright. Let me remove those elements, go back 1. Okay, well, time to put everything again. So, change eyes. I don't know why it keeps, like, deleting itself. But it does. Increment. Oh, and now we're back with this problem again. Am I even pressing those? I'm not even pressing those. Hang on, if I remove these. Okay, no, now it's broken again. So it's not these updates. Is it because I moved these before? Or do I need to put it after set dirty? I'll try to put it after set dirty. No, that did not do anything. Why the fuck? if I put it back down there, hang on, put it back down there. And now it's broken again. What in the sweet mother of God is happening here? Okay, what is the last one that worked? That one. What did I do next? I added the update down there. What added the update down there? And that broke it? Ah, so it's that update that breaks everything. Okay, so everything I've done apart from that is like fine. But it's that little piece of shit. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens if I do menu item. Change eyes. Please don't make me change you again. Ah, fucking unit inspectors. Why? Because of that damn window. Thank you. I'm gonna kill you so bad. Increment. And now nothing here updates. Really? Really now? Do I need another update somewhere down the damn fucking line? But where could I add it? Because I need to update the thing. I need to update that serialized value, but I can't. That's the thing, I need the update. But by adding it, unless I do it after the apply the properties, I apply the properties and then update. Yes, if I do this now, it's going to change correctly. No, it's still stuck on toggle. Right, because it completely breaks everything. If we go in debug mode, first, set it to increment, back here. So I need the update to actually update the inspector and everything. But if I have the update, I can't change these values for some reason. If I remove the update, I can't change them again. But then the inspector would not be. I am lost. Because it worked 5 seconds ago before I did this swap. Like, what else is different? That's a serialized field, that's no problem. I've got this one, which is completely different. And it's been completely separated from everything else. Including the parameters here. Like, what else is using? Why? Because they just reset through these. Do I just need to serialize this as well? Do I need to keep that one serialized? No, that is not the solution. I think there's an error as well. There's no errors. What the fuck is going on? Something is going horribly wrong here, and I don't know what. I seriously don't know what's going wrong. Because I need to remove the update, else it's just not gonna work. And I need to keep the update here for when I add items. That's fine. Actually, let me check. Because now I can modify these fine. What happens if I add an element? It resets these. That is bad. Really, really, really bad. That should not happen whatsoever. So there's a reference somewhere that's like completely broken. Like property. I do wonder. I do wonder. Does it? I fucking swear, if it's because the find property value ignores underscores. I fucking swear, if it's because of that. If it's because of that, I fucking swear I'm gonna pull my hair out. But I'm just gonna. It's not gonna clear them. Okay, that is pretty good. Okay, I think I've removed the update though. Yeah, I did remove the update. Let me re-add it. But the fact that that did not work, not a good sign. In itself, but if I add the update here, like I just keep it where it was initially, which was somewhere here. No, that did not fix it. So you know what I'll do? I'll just undo everything. I'll undo the renaming and everything. Yeah, just keep it like this. Like how it was initially. And how it was initially, it was just like that. Parameters. Care. And then what did they do here? I'm just completely undoing everything I've done. Okay, I tried to serialize this. That doesn't matter here. Just keep it like that. Just back to where it was initially. Okay, we're back at something that works at least. Ignore everything I've done. Just keep it like that. Because this in itself works. It's just at runtime it's kind of broken. That can be tackled another time. I'm gonna make an actual fucking backup of this before I reattempt this. But now it should be working fine. Let's get this at least attempted. Change eyes. Blank state. And glasses. Bam, 2, 1 to test 1 minus 1. Increase next. Eyes. Previous eyes. Save that. Blink state by default 1. Glasses by default 1. And rest should be fine. Alright. That should be fine now. Okay. That works. This still does not work. That is what I wanted to test, and I've just completely messed up my thing. I want to make that work at least before the end of the show. I don't care if I have a bad night of sleep tonight. I'm just rage mode activate. Fucking rage mode. I'm just gonna make this work now. So those values are proper. I don't care about the editor anymore. Just what the UI controller. Like, what am I passing? Like, I'm passing the correct values, right? Like, the debug is going through here. Yeah, I am passing the correct values. So I'm passing.
Boy.
I'm passing it correctly. False. While open, invoke. Yep. If I'm a driver. Mega. See. Okay, so increments like that. But isn't it supposed to update the value of that should be the main parameter, is it? And this should be a menu item increment of a value. True, those value true. So true, those value true. Let me check what happens here. Will there be a debug that's being thrown? No debug. That means this is not getting called. What about the other one? Not called either. What about this one? Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just really focused right now on trying to debug this. Not triggered either. Ah, damn. Shit. That means there's something that's not being called properly. Where is it going? What update value is it getting? Hang on, I'll do a quick. I just want to get the type of it to see where is it going. Increment. So the type is correct. At least on paper, it is correct. What about the actual type, though? So just get menu item type. Just get menu item index to see whatever the heck that returns. Menu item button. That is not correct. So but it thinks it's a button for some reason. You know what? Maybe I actually didn't add that yet. And when I spawned the buttons. Or when I initiate the group, actually, hang on. If I initiate the group, step out of the blah 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 blah. Where do I get the type of it? Implementation. Aha! There's the problem. It is not being set at all. It just defaults to button. So what number is that going to be? Type number. Increment is number 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2. Indeed. Menu item increment. Now the type should be correct. There we go. Type is correct. But it is not being called still. Actually, no, it is. The value is changing to -1 and 1. If I did like 59,420, just to see if it's not just, you know, 426. Okay. So it is technically there, but it is not there. But it's getting there. So the activation is wrong. Value. But no Danish dish should have been called. But it's not being called, even though the type is correct now. Yeah, the type is correct. The type is correct? So what else could be wrong? Now that I know the type is correct. It's parameter main that I need to modify. If I just do get parameter main like so, what type of parameter is it going to be? A parameter float, which is in itself is not bad. Like, it will work. I think all of them are float, but technically, if I move this down here, it should log it. If I move that debug log down there. Indeed, it logs it. 1, 1, 1, -1, -1, 1. Okay, so it just sets the value. I'm doing get value plus value. So I want to set the value to first get that value and then just add this. might need to get that. Maybe that's not gonna work, but worth a shot. Yeah, it still sets it to just that. What is get value? Before. Before and after. What are differences? What's the difference? Before or after? Okay, it always seems to be zero then. What's the set value? Do I have a set value on this? Oh, it should. It set value to just current value, and get value just returns current value. So again, another quirk with these. This is just stupid. Because this should clearly work. Like, this should just clearly work. At this point, I'm just going to give up on the interface part of it. Because that is not working whatsoever. Like, it's just completely ignoring this, like, hey, it's something that exists. I'll just do this then now. At this point, I give up on using the interface. At this point, fuck the interface. Sealed menu. Earn value main. It's gonna be the dual axis one. But you're not going off. Okay, it's gonna just be valued on and off. To increment is on, to decrement is off. At this point, fuck this. I'm just doing this. No, I don't have the mini group here. But now it should work. I just want the stream to end on something that fucking works. Well, it's better. At least it's something that value, but it's still, really, bro, really. Come on. What is going wrong here? Okay, value. Fuck the value. Current value main. Fuck you. You're not working whatsoever. Plus equal. Value on. Fuck you. Value off. This should work. Thank fuck. Why is zero that state? What? Okay, I guess then the state is not written properly into the label then. Yeah, it doesn't seem to go on the label fine. Unless it's because the default value is different. You know what? Maybe that's because... Yeah, let me check. Right now it's set to 0. If I press this, it jumped to 3. Yeah, now I'm back with that issue though. It's like the default value is correct, but then this is wrong. If I set it to 1 and I go back and play, now this is 1, which is the correct default value. Not even. What happens if I set it to 0? There's something even stranger going. By default, blink state is 1. It's set like +1. Yeah, I must be reading from the interface somewhere. I'm gonna remove these lines from the interface. Those ones just completely mess up the entire thing. Just remove the entire set. They suck. I mean, these ones work, it's these ones that don't. And I'm not even using read interface. Like, whatsoever.
No joke. They were unkillable.
Right? Rails! Yeah! I was supposed to do my stream. Well, my god, I was supposed to end it 48 minutes ago. Yikes. I have been trying to troubleshoot this thing for a yes amount of time. And I am sick of this. I am raging Barb here. Welcome, Raiders. How was your stream? Like, now this is technically correct. Like, if it's at 0 by default, that's fine. But then if it's at 1, then it breaks. And I'll press this, but then... Oh, no, now it's fine. That's at 2. Now it's at 3. So it's like, okay, so this is not broken, so my tracker died. That is how long I streamed. Damn. Why is the blink stick going like +1? Yeah, it's all, that's always fun. I'm gonna drive a hang on. Yeah, I'm just goddamn done here. For this little problem, I am dumb. That's the problem. And that should fix it, in theory. Value 0. Taking not as 0 by default, but if I set to 1, then 2, then 1, then 0. Okay, so again, that is saved, which should not be saved. But at least now it is actually working. You can actually increment the values. God damn it. Oh my god, the prime sub noise. Hey Michael, about to end the stream here. Just finished debugging my thing. Thanks for the re-prime sub. I'm just sick of seeing this monstrosity of a thing. I hate Unity. But yeah, at least it's working now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to end the stream because I was supposed to go take a shower, but now I'm gonna have to speedrun it so I can have a decent amount of sleep tonight. But yeah, at least we made something work. And then broke it immediately. And it made it work. But at least now I figured out the cause of the save and potentially why the values are not working well properly. And that's because I think, honestly, I have to ditch the interface. Like, the interface is good for, like, basic functions and classifications of stuff. But to actually play with the variables, it's an absolute pain in the ass. And it's just, honestly, for this, I think it's just more worth it to use the actual scriptable object instead. And as I did with a different set of parameters that just reads, like one that displays in the inspector, and then at runtime it copies the complete array to somewhere else. That is something that can work. But of course that broke the entire thing. So gonna have to figure that one another time. I'll try next time to actually make the sliders work. And potentially dual axes, because it's like the same principle, but 2 sliders instead of 1. But yeah, now technically the outer menus are like almost done at this point. Just need to tweak everything to not break. But before that, there's of course gonna be Friday Gaming and Creative Sundays. And now, Avatar Mondays. As a reminder, Avatar Mondays is starting back up next Monday. We're gonna make a brand new avatar, and I'm gonna do the sketches, the brainstorming live on stream, which is gonna be absolutely fantastic. But until then, I mean, I can't zoom in on my face right now, but let's go see who to rate. Let me check. Quicker raid, a quicker raid, a quicker raid. Who is streaming right now? Founders. No, not streaming. Okay, well, there's only really one streamer I can go raid in my follow list, and that's gonna be Valivaro. Congratulations, you're a champion here. Don't forget to squawk in the chat, as per usual. And until Friday for some gaming, I don't know what I'm gonna play, but we will see. Until then, stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. See ya, peeps!